Hi! That's gonna be my opening for all my videos. Hi! So we got the serious chicken. I was like, you know what? Just gonna have a burger today. I'm gonna have the Big Mac, and I was like, no, I'm gonna go adventurous. I'm gonna get a new burger. Change it up once in a while, you know? Gotta look at the camera. So here's the box. You know, standard McDonald's box. Cool. Yeah, I like the blue. That's a billion-dollar corporation for you. Ooh, it's serious, guys.
Those are red onions.
Got the wrap. It's got a sauce. Looks like a mayo, maybe a chipotle mayo. Almost tastes like a bruschetta sauce. Some red onions, some tomato, some lettuce, with some cheese and a burger and some more sauce at the bottom. All right, so let's try this out.
Don't make a mess of my car.
This is where I gotta look really contemplative for a long while, so that way you guys are like trying to judge what I think I'm judging as. Honestly, all I taste is onion.
Thoughts?
I'll have to take another bite because that was all onion. But go try it out. It's at McDonald's, spelled McDonalds. You probably have one in your city, or it might just be a Canadian thing. I'm not sure yet. But yeah, try it out. It's expensive. If your minimum wage is as terrible as ours is right now, it's probably about an hour's worth of work to eat one of those burgers. Very healthy. So I mean, that's. Oh wait, no, it's not.
Say bye.
I'm done being a social commentator.
Say bye.
Bye.